What's up, guys? My name is Austin Jonas. I own KickinPowerSports.com. This is Kyle, the best assembler of dirt bikes in the world. And today we're going to be doing the SYX 125SX dirt bike. We're going to be doing assembly on it. Well, basically you'd have to do when you get it at your door. So we're just opening the box. Alright, so once we get the cage off, we're going to put the bars on with these. We're kind of figuring it out right now. Yeah, let's do it.
So we're going to line up this one, get the bar in. This will go through. And then we'll just kind of put the one bolt on. Next one will go under. We'll go through. And then we'll do the same thing.
Alright, so next part is the rear shock. Kyle's gonna lift up the back. I'm unscrewing the little bolt right now so we can pull it out. And just, if you wouldn't mind coming and checking this out. We'll take this, hold it, Kyle. Okay, lower, lower. Perfect. Just push that thing through, take the other end, screw it on, and tighten it down.
So we're going to do the front wheel now. We'll take this off right here. Make sure not to lose any of these parts. Pull this out. Now, put these somewhere safe.
Yeah, Kyle.
Our next step is this brake right here. You're gonna take this out. This screw right here, and then you'll pull this, come here, loosen this one out, there, and put this through. Make sure these are nice and tight. Yep, next take the front wheel. We have to pull out this tag here. That's keeping the brake calipers apart. Make sure those are spread apart. Then you're gonna slide that disc in there. It takes a little bit of maneuvering, but we got it in. Get one of these speed rings, put it in there, right in there, and then axle goes right. This goes through. Other speed ring goes on top, and you'll want to just line it up. This one will twist as much as you need it to, and then center right through and give it a good tighten. And I think this one's a 20 and an 18. Make sure this is nice and tight. You don't want a front wheel popping off.
Alright, so for this right here, we basically just took the two little screws out of this baggie and tightened it. It's not very complex. You just tighten the screws. That's basically just the key, switches, and that's it.
So I'm taking these bolts, screws out of this bottom part, and we'll slide this in the fender. Take one bolt, pull to the front first, goes in this middle hole right here, and then the other two. Tighten those on. So that'll go right there. Then this is where we're using this little screw. It's gonna go through here into this hole right here. So we're gonna put this front wire in there, this one right here. And you're gonna wanna make sure that it's on the right side, looking at it from this way, on the right side of this fender before you put on the fender. So we'll squeeze that right in, perfect.
Beautiful.
And we'll tighten this up again.
Alright, next step, we are going to put the pedals on.
So putting on the pedal is a fairly simple process. We're gonna take this pin and it goes on this little hole, that side right there. You'll put it right here like this, and then you'll kind of grab like this and push in, and then wiggle it around or whatever you need to do. It takes quite a bit of force pushing it in this way, just towards the bike and down a little bit, and then once you get it all the way through, this little pin goes through the hole on the end, and the pedals will be installed.
But what's up, everybody? Alright, guys, the dirt bike is now done. We're not going to start in this video. We'll do another video next week, probably, of us starting and doing the first ride on it. But it's done. It's built. We're super excited. If you want to go pick one up for yourself, head to kickinpowersports.com. We'll probably have them in stock. If not, keep watching and you can submit your email for us to tell you when they're in stock again. Alright, like and subscribe for more.